Welcome back to CM's Garage. I'm back in the garage here with the 1964 Beetle. I've done a lot of work to it since the video 3 months ago. So I'm gonna go around and show you all that. If you haven't watched all the videos that I put out on this car, I bought it probably in January of 25. So it's been a little like a year and a half now that I've had it. If you haven't watched those videos, I'll do some quick clips of what this car looked like when I picked it up back in January of 25. So after that, we'll go around, we'll do a walk around the car, and I'll show you what I've done. So thanks for watching, guys. Stick around. Well, it's been a while. I'm back out here with the 1964 Beetle. I haven't posted in a while, but I've done a lot of work to this car. It's all painted and clear coated. As you can see, I've got the white wall, portal walls, put on the tires. So what I'm going to do is just kind of walk around the car and show you everything I've done since the last video, which I think was probably about 4 months ago. And hopefully I can remember everything that was done between that video and now. So I guess we'll start in the front here. So I've got the handle back on and the crest in the front. Still have some trim to put on it. Got the gas tank installed. Not sure if I had that in the last video or not. I've got a new fuse panel here that I put in. Most of this wiring is original and it's still in very good shape. Got a speaker installed. So I'm gonna hook that 6-volt radio up to the car with the 12 to 6-volt conversion. Got the trim on the side, the door handles, and got the nice banjo steering wheel here with a new blinker assembly. I've got some wires to trim. There's only 3 wires needed for this car. You've got your relay and your left and right signal. Those I still need to trim off. You can see we've got the new carpeting installed here. And then of course the seats. I think I have to tighten up my upholstery there. Have the seats, cleaned the seat frames completely up, repainted them, cleared them, and then did all new foam inside and the off-white upholstery, which I think is a nice accent with the gray color. Ragtop I showed in the last video. Not much has changed with that, except we got the outer frame painted and cleared here. All the kill mat insulation. Not much has changed under the deck lid here, although I got all the wiring sorted. I had the wiring harness just kind of tied up and just the basic few wires to run it. But now I've got my generator or 12-volt alternator wired up so it charges the battery, and a few other wires, but everything's pretty much the same under there. This is just some tape from my clear coat job. Got to put the new license plate light housing on there. I've got the instrument grills on there, the gas gauge is installed. I've got my glove box put in there, and I just need to do the chrome trim that goes across the dashboard, but I'll clean that up soon. We'll get that put on. And then I think the antenna here, which will be hooked to that 6-volt Sapphire 1 Bendix. I probably missed something, but yeah, there's the update. Next, need to do my headlights. I've got the snowflake taillight housings all painted up, which I'll show you here in a second, and I'll be putting those on soon, probably tomorrow. Oh yeah, how could I forget the speedometer? Got that back in. Quick update here. I got my snowflake taillights mounted. I was having some issues with the passenger side taillight not working, but I found a break in the positive power wire, so I just got that repaired. Let's turn off the lights here, and I'll show you how the lights go on and off. All right, let's go ahead. Now that you've seen the car, we'll go out for a little drive, take it around the block. That's where it burns. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the progress on this car, the before and afters, whether you've been watching it from the beginning or just saw those pictures of what it looked like back in January of 25. There's a lot more to do on this car. I've got a lot more planned and definitely some videos up the road here. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that and give me a like. I appreciate it. Thank you.